Welcome to the AI Copilot walkthrough series, where we go through the starter tasks with the Copilot we built using the AI Employee Kit. In the previous video, we created our target audience pain points report. In this video, we're going to have our AI Copilot do some competition and market research. From the AI Copilot starter prompts page, we're going to notate the language model, which is ChatGPT 5 thinking, and then we're going to copy the prompt trigger. We'll go into our Copilot project, and since we used the thinking model last time, we'll simply paste in the prompt and then go ahead and send it. Now it's going to go through your brand identity worksheet and your brand information sheet, and then it will take that information and start doing some research to generate your competition and market research reports. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and our Copilot has started to deliver our reports. Skipping forward, it took about, 15-20 seconds to deliver the reports. So let's get started, and we're going to go ahead and download our reports. Now, we can open up each individual competitor report, and it will show you the services they focus on, their pricing approach. It shows here that they focus primarily on residential, and then it goes over a full SWOT analysis. And we have this for each of the top 5 competitors. And then we can open the market competition overview and get some other additional information. In closing, that is how you get your AI Copilot to do competition and market research. Check out the next video as we have our AI Copilot design a logo for our business. Until then, get your copy of the AI Employee Kit at aiemployeekit.com. I'll see you there.